This is Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. And again, severe weather continues to impact the state of Victoria. Severe weather warning has been issued by the BOM Victoria for damaging winds for people in the parts of the central East Gippsland, the southwest, northeast, the west, south Gippsland forecast districts for today. Squally winds developing this afternoon and evening. A cold front will move rapidly across the Bass Strait Wednesday afternoon and evening. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour possible around coastal parts of Victoria from this afternoon, and most likely associated with the passage of the cold front. Winds of similar magnitudes also likely to develop over the alpine areas above the 1200 metre mark of eastern Victoria during this afternoon. Winds are expected to ease from the west late afternoon and will ease throughout the threat area by midnight. Locations under the severe weather warning in the yellow on the warning chart: Warrnambool, Portland, Morwell, Sale and a couple of others. The Bureau has a minor flood warning for the Yarra River. That was updated around lunchtime yesterday and will be updated by 11 a.m. today. They've also got one for the Kiowa River. However, gale warning is in place for the west, the central coast, the central Gippsland, east Gippsland coast, and Port Phillip Bay, Western Port, the Gippsland Lakes has a strong wind warning. A gale warning is also in place in Tasmania, the far northwest, the central north coast, the Bank Strait, the Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, the lower east, the southeast, southwest, central west coast, and a strong wind warning for the Derwent Estuary, Frederick Henry, Norfolk, Storm Bays, the Channel, upper east coast. And in this advisory they have got a small craft alert for the Central Plateau Lakes and the Southwest Lakes. Bureau Meteorology New South Wales has a severe weather warning for damaging winds for the people in the Illawarra parts of the Central Tablelands, the Southern Tablelands, the Snowy Mountains forecast districts. Vigorous winds developing during today. Vigorous west and northwesterly winds will be generated ahead of an approaching cold front, which is expected to cross the southeast later today and early Thursday. Damaging winds averaging 70 to 80 kilometres an hour with gusts in excess of 120 kilometres an hour expected to develop for alpine areas above the 1900 metres from this afternoon. Winds are also expected to ease in the early hours of Thursday morning. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour expected to develop over the Illawarra parts of the central tablelands from the evening, and are expected to ease during Thursday morning. Blizzards are likely over the alpine peaks during this time. Locations which may be affected: the Thredbo, Tops, Goulburn, Nowa, Katoomba, Bower, Wollongong, Noongar, Huskisson and Turalka.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.